COVID-19 has proven to be a challenge across the industry. OPITO's number one priority is the health and well-being of employees, workforce, the training providers and the wider communities that they serve. We've recently introduced new ways to support the delivery of training and competence, including a certificate extension process and temporary training methods. Delegates and employing companies affected by COVID-19 can apply for an extension on the OPITO website. This can be done if the certificate expires within the next 30 days. To date, we've processed over 7,000 of these requests. To apply for a certificate extension request, please visit the OPITO website, opito.com/COVID-19. Employers and delegates will be notified directly of the result of the request. If granted, this will be for a period of 2 months. OPITO recently issued 3 technical bulletins. The first of these bulletins concentrated on advice and guidance to training providers to remain open during this period, including hygiene and social distancing. The second technical bulletin concentrated on the remote delivery of practical and theory learning outcomes. The third concentrated solely on the basic H2S training. The second technical bulletin outlined which standards can and cannot be delivered remotely. At all times, it's important to note that quality and integrity of OPITO training will not be compromised through these arrangements. OPITO are continuing to work with sponsors and the colleges to ensure continued assessment during this period. In addition to the technical bulletins, we've also held global webinars with the Training Provider Network to ensure a clear understanding of these bulletins. We've also extended the payment terms from 30 days to 60 days to support training provider operations throughout this time. The certificate extension process is aimed at those delegates and employing companies that have been affected by COVID-19. This could mean that accessing training centres isn't possible, or delegates may have to go through a period of self-isolation. It's not anticipated that online training will be affected during this period, and it will be business as usual. One option delegates can use to obtain a BOSIET certificate at this time is to use the digital BOSIET course. This course uses an online platform to deliver the theory aspects. The delegate would then attend an OPITO-approved training centre for 1 day to undertake the test for the theory learning outcomes and undergo the practical training. To support training providers globally in the delivery of this standard, OPITO have recently removed the approval fee for this product. In the last month, over 15 training providers have been approved.